In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords to your searches on Zillow, enabling you to refine your home search just the way you want it. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you need to open up your web browser and head to the Zillow website. This is your starting point where you'll find a wealth of property listings and tools at your disposal. Make sure you've signed into your Zillow account. If you're not signed in yet, find the Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and log in. Being signed in gives you access to saved searches, letting you quickly revisit and refine what matters most to you. Once you're in, you're ready to start searching for properties. In the search bar at the top of the page, type the location you're interested in. This could be a city, a neighborhood, or even a street. After typing in your desired location, hit the Submit or the search icon. Zillow will then generate a listing of homes matching your specified area. If you're looking for a new home or simply browsing, this is where you can find comprehensive details about available properties. After your initial search results load, let's dive a bit deeper. Look for the More filter, usually located above the listings or on the page's left panel. By clicking on the More button, you open up more search filters, giving you avenues to narrow down the results to better fit your preferences. Here, you'll need to scroll down through the options until you spot the Keywords section. This is a valuable feature that allows you to tailor your search even further based on specific attributes or features you're looking for in a property. In the Keywords box, type in any particular feature you're interested in, like fireplace, pool, or garden, depending on what suits your lifestyle needs. Typing in the right keywords ensures that Zillow's property listings are filtered to show only those that include the features you want. Finally, once you've entered your keywords, click Apply to activate this filter. In an instant, Zillow will update the listings to showcase only the properties that match both your location and your keyword criteria. And there you have it, your personalized list of homes featuring exactly what you're looking for. Adding keywords to your Zillow search is a powerful way to save time and find your ideal property among the myriad of listings available. By focusing on what's most important to you, this tailored search approach ensures you'll spend less time sifting through unnecessary listings and more time concentrating on potential homes that fit your vision. So go ahead, give it a try, and make your property search as efficient and fruitful as possible.